this
Yeah,
over
you
here.
need to watch.
Well, what's going on?
Cole,
Yeah, I'm gonna please.
just be ready to use.
You ready?
I'm ready to be used. I'm ready to throw the weeds. I'm ready to put it in.
Show me. Hey, you wanna see my YouTube channel?
I do.
Like, no. Yes.
All right, so you ready? All right, so my reading on this is 307. And here I have code saying if I'm less than 319, it should be.
So, this is my video.
Should get a light bulb. Yeah.
You're literally lying.
And it should be green. And then if I press it, right, we should get a higher pressure on it, right, and then it goes to red. So you could change these lights, and you got to figure out how you want to use that. This may be backwards from what you want to do in your program. You with me? Because you may want to have like an object sitting in your safe, and then when someone picks it up, you go from a higher pressure to a lower pressure, and when you go down to a lower pressure, then you know someone took it, and then you can change the light scheme, and maybe a red light goes off or something, or a sound goes off. That's basically how you do it. Make sure you get the coding. You get a close-up of the coding. Are you taking a video? That's it.